Welcome to Action English Academy. In this video, you will learn useful body idioms and how to use them in everyday conversation. These idioms will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. So let's get started. First idiom is cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg means something very expensive. It is used when something costs a lot of money. For example, this car costs an arm and a leg. The tickets cost me an arm and a leg. Repeat the idiom, cost an arm and a leg. Now watch the action clip.
This watch is our best model.
How much?
It costs an arm and a leg.
Second idiom is give a hand. Give a hand means to help someone. It is used when you assist or support someone. For example, can you give me a hand with this box? She gave me a hand with my project. Repeat the idiom. Give a hand. Now watch the action clip.
These bags are so heavy.
Here, let me give you a hand.
Thanks for giving a hand.
Third idiom is head over heels. Head over heels means deeply in love. It is used when someone is completely in love. For example, he is head over heels in love with her. She fell head over heels for him. Repeat the idiom. Head over heels. Now watch the action clip.
You make me so happy.
Look at her, she is head over heels.
I'm head over heels in love.
Fourth idiom is break a leg. Break a leg means good luck. It is especially used before a performance. For example, break a leg for your performance tonight. Everyone said break a leg before he went on stage. Repeat the idiom. Break a leg. Now watch the action clip.
I'm so nervous for the show. You'll do great. Break a leg.
Fifth idiom is play it by ear. Play it by ear means to proceed without a fixed plan. It is used when you decide things as they happen. For example, we don't have a plan, we will play it by ear. Let's just play it by ear and see what happens. Repeat the idiom. Play it by ear. Now watch the action clip.
What's the exact plan for today?
Let's just play it by ear.
Yeah, play it by ear.
Last idiom is have cold feet. Have cold feet means to become nervous and back out. It is used when someone feels afraid before doing something. For example, he got cold feet before the wedding. She had cold feet and canceled the trip. Repeat the idiom, have cold feet. Now watch the action clip.
I can't do this. He has cold feet. Wait!
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to Action English Academy for more simple and powerful English lessons. Keep learning, keep improving. See you in the next video. Bye!